G'day Caravans, welcome back to Metro RV, and well, we're going to do something a bit different today. We've got a couple of brand new Montana Unlimited Metro RV specified vans. So we've got, we might just stand back, we're trying to basically give you a size comparison between the two single axle vans we've got on offer, 17 foot 6, 16 foot. They're both external measurements of the van alone, so not big vans. Just give you a pretty good feel of what they're about. So there's a few things that are identical. So they've both got your Dometic slide-out kitchen, straight through tunnel boot, galvanised bits and pieces, jacks, filters, handles, everything's included. Your toolbox with your Weber slide, dual gas bottles, electronic stability control, standard on all our vans. Generator storage. Now this is we've gone with a bit of a military theme with this one, if you want to call it that. We don't mind pushing some boundaries as far as some colours and things, and look, we feel it looks as good as anything. It might not be everyone's cup of tea, but you're either going to love it or hate it. I personally, definitely on the on the love side. I think maybe I'm one of the very few people that loves beige, but I think it looks pretty tough. It's a bit refreshing. So we've got some camo stickers going through the Montana emblem. So we've got pretty much everything here. But what we're trying to do is come in and we're trying to get a gist of what's your main differences between the two vans. So 17 foot 6, you've got a full oven, so it's a bit more of a conventional van. You can have these specced out with just a grill, double door fridge. You've got your big sink. From here forward, they're very similar. L-shaped dinette. May I add some beautiful earthy colours in here. Now I'll get you to pop out inside the. So you've got a washing machine. It opens up both ways. We're throwing in your corner cupboards now, so storage is king when you're camping. Again, these are not massive vans, so you've got. It's amazing what you can get into a van 17.6. So we're just trying to give you an idea here. Again, I'm not a massive man. This is an island bed. You got apart from my pants getting caught on the handle. Plenty of room to walk around, so you're not squeezing in and out. Let's go and have a look at the little one. Now, 16 foot. Now again, we're talking external. Now 16 foot is not a big van, so this is your more traditional colour schemes, if you want to call it that. All your greys, very popular these days. Slide-out kitchen. Again, your straight through gal tunnel boot. This van we've only just picked up today. From now on, they're all going to have jerry can holders up the front. DA35 hitch, electronic stability control. These are your more traditional stickers, so no sort of camo stuff, just your pretty standard Caravan stripes, if you want to call them that. But absolutely gorgeous in silver and grey right through. Now let's have a look inside here. So, this is our latest 16 footer. As you can probably imagine, we're having a bit of a tinker with them. So there's a few little things that we've changed since the last time. Our main one is we've shrunk the window a bit, and we've thrown in a absolutely cracking, in my opinion. You can call that a pantry, just storage, whatever you want to call it. Your straight through dinette. We've included a little a bench extender, which I think is absolutely brilliant. So you're prepping, you've got plenty of room. So now, again, this is 16 foot van. We've got a full ensuite, which I might just get you to, actually I might get you to pop out and just turn this a couple of lights on. So we'll, there you go. These have been changed a bit. So we've got full storage right through. So again, tiny little van, little alcoves, towels, what's it called, a higher, a beautiful wash basin. Pretty decent shower. So this is again, we do get the odd opinion about my size. People love to comment, and particularly my mother. So now, there's one thing I haven't. Where is it? Oh, there you are. So we've got your full swivel. Oops. Be careful when you do that. So you've got some serious flexibility on your table. Storage again, absolutely spectacular. We've increased the. Got a full bed head. Got a bit more colour around the bed. Just make it a bit more calming, relaxing place. Again, we've gone with a few the sort of tan and grey combos. We've got a couple coming that are all grey, a couple coming that are all, anyway, there's all sorts of stuff available. The options are endless. 65 grand, 70 grand for the bigger one. Unbelievable Caravans. So again, the finish here is second to none. Absolutely impeccably presented. Again, some of these are available for immediate delivery. We can get you a van within 5 or 6 weeks. If you've got something in mind, come in, let's help you get out of town. Montana and Metro RV. Thanks for looking.